Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to discuss about S400, the most advanced air defense system which India currently procured it from Russia actually. So India has procured this S400 from Russia in 2018, and then it has signed a contract of getting 5 units of S400 in 2018. So basically what exactly is this S400? How did it play? So obviously we are all knowing that S400 played a crucial role in Sindoor 2.0 operation, which recently happened on May 8th and May 7th. So what actually this S400 is, we are going to discuss about the more technicalities of this S400 in this in today's video actually. So this S400 basically it has intercepted all the missiles which came from Pakistan. As Pakistan, we all know that Pakistan has given a bold statement saying that it is targeting 15 cities in India. Not even a single missile or not even a single drone has touched the Indian destination till now. All this happened because of S400's capabilities and efficiency. So how did this S400 has become too advanced and too sophisticated Indian defense system, and why it is so expensive? So India has signed a contract of 35,000 crores, which is $5.4 billion for these 5 units of S400. So let's know the technicalities of this S400 more about in this video. So let's see. So S400 basically contains 4 different components. So all these 4 components has to work simultaneously for the seamless operation. So these are all the codes given to these 4 different components. So let's see what exactly these components do. Okay, so as an initial step, the radar has to detect all the targets which are coming from 360 degrees simultaneously. So that's what this radar do. This is the first component in S400. It is 91N6E. This is a long range surveillance radar. This radar can detect the targets up to 600 kilometers and can detect up to 300 targets at a time. So this is basically a panoramic radar which can detect the targets from 360 degrees. So there is no chance of missing the targets. Okay, the second component is basically 556KE. So this is basically a command vehicle which will act as a command and control center. So all the operations will be controlled from here. Okay, the third component is basically the 92N6E is a multifunctional radar that operates as a fire control radar for S400 air defense missile system. It's primarily used to guide the missiles and detect the targets at medium and short ranges and can track up to 20 targets. So this radar has a range of 340 kilometers. And finally, the last component is launch vehicle itself. It's 5P85TE2. So basically, this launch setup contains 4 different types of missiles. One is short range missile, which can go up to 40 kilometers of range, and then there is a medium size missile, which goes up to 120 kilometers of range, and then there is a long range missile, which can go up to 250 kilometers, that is 48N6, and there is a very long range missile that goes up to 400 kilometers, 40NSE. So depending on the requirement, depending on the distance of the target, so these different types of missiles will get activated automatically and destroy the targets with very high precision. So this is how all these 4 components work simultaneously and do the proper operations. So I have basically added a small video to show you how effectively this S400 has destroyed all the Pakistan missiles and drones which are coming towards India. So this S400 is also called as Sudarshan Chakra by Indian Army. So that's an apt name for S400 because obviously it has intercepted almost all the missiles and all the drones from Pakistan, and it destroyed all of them at once. And also for the operation we are calling it as Sindoor 2.0. That's also an exact apt name. Uh, for this for this operation actually. And then I think we already discussed about the efficiency of this S400 and how it actually works. So a great hats off to all the Indian soldiers who are relentlessly working for our country day and night without any sleep. So obviously a great hats off to all of these guys, and Jai Hind.